How's everybody doing this morning? I know that you folks might be a little tired from your walk over here. Still a little early. On vacation probably wasn't as fast as that. This is good weather today. No need to be alarmed. Good weather. But nonetheless, folks, in the Bahamas, everything that we do is fun. What's not fun, we make fun. And if you don't have any fun today, then you get dummy in the water. So let's try that one more time. How's everybody doing this morning? If you folks are glad to be down here in the islands of the Bahamas, where it's mostly sunny, can I hear you say, yeah, on? Alright, let's introduce you folks to Captain and crew. Our captain for this morning is Captain Tommy. Would everyone like to say good morning to Captain Tommy? Bartender today is going to be Laurie. My name is Alicia. I'll be your harbor tour guide. Now behind the bar, folks, you have water on sale at $1. Chips are $1. Sodas are $2. And we have the bear of the Bahamas that's going to get on sale at $4 a can. There's also one complimentary drink for everybody on board, a fruit punch or rum punch. And after the first cup, the rum punch is going to be $2 and the fruit punch is going to be $1. Now in case of an emergency, you're going to see all the life jackets located overhead on the main deck. There's a few more of them located upstairs and the white boxes up front. There's also 3 life rafts up the stairs. We have 2 restrooms on board the boat, one for the ladies, one for the gents, one for Bahama Mama, one for Bahama Papa. If you're looking for these restrooms, at any time they're located down the stairs at our viewing deck. Now the dock that we just pulled away from, that is called the Prince George Wharf. And the Prince George Wharf is one of the busiest cruise ship ports down here in the Caribbean. And it's going to accommodate up to 5 to 7 large ships at any given time. You guys will see there's only 4 ships in right now. We got the Honor, we have the Norwegian Sky, we have the Carnival Ecstasy, and also the Carnival Fantasy. So there are 4 ships in today. Wealthy Swedish for the island and renamed it Paradise Island. Paradise Island is also 5 miles long and it's a half-mile wide. And it starts at the lighthouse right there, which is the oldest standing lighthouse on the island, and goes straight on to the eastern point of the